Hi, welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. Today we're going to talk about decimals and fractions. There are some problems that are easier to solve using decimals and others that are easier to solve using fractions. So what we need to do is be able to switch back and forth between the two so that we can use whichever one's easiest. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple fractions and I'm going to change them into decimals and then I'm going to change them back. So the first fraction is easy. We're going to look at 3/4. To change 3/4 into decimal format, we just do the division. This is 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. All right? 7 is 28. And then we have 2 left over. The 0 comes down, and we have 5. So 3/4 in decimal format is 0.75. All right, let's go the other way now. We have 0.75. What is 0.75 in fraction format? So what we do is we write this in the format of 75 over 100. We have 2 zeros because we have 2 numbers. Okay? So then we just simplify it. We're going to divide this by 25 and this by 25. And that gives us 3/4. Let's look at a harder one. Let's look at 3/8. All right? 3 divided by 8. Okay, that's 3. We'll get a 24. I have 60 left over. So that's 7. 56. 40 left over. And 5. So 3/8 is 0.375. Now let's go the other direction. 0.375 is 375 over 1,000. Okay? We can divide by 25 again. There are 4 25s per 100, and we have 3 of them. So we have 12 25s plus 3 for the 75. So that gives us 15 on the top. And on the bottom, 100 divided by 25 is 4, and we get the extra 0, 40. Now we can divide both by 5. 3/8. We get our fraction back. Now let's look at a hard one. One that doesn't come out so nice and easy. Let's look at 2/3. We have 2/3. We have 2 divided by 3. All right? Which gives us 6, 18, 2. We're going to end up with the same thing. It's going to be repeating. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Repeating. So let's look at going the other direction. Okay, if we have 0.6666 repeating, okay, we can't count the number of numbers here and put that many zeros under it because we can go forever, right? So we're going to choose to cut it off, and we're going to round. Okay? So let's use the 4 digits there. All right? So we get 4 6s over 10,000. Now what we want to do is we want to multiply by 3. Okay? Because 3 is what gets rid of that 1/3 thing going on, the repeating numbers. 6 times 3 is 8. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Carry the 1. 9. Carry the 1. 19. And then 30,000. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to round at this point. Because we cut off the 6's here, those would have added on. So we're going to round up. This is going to be 20,000. Well, now all we have to do is simplify by erasing zeros. We got our 2/3. Let's try another one with a 3 in that denominator. Let's do 7/12. Okay? 7 divided by 12. Okay? 70, we're going to have 5. That'll give us 60. 100 gives us 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8, 9, 96. Now we got 40. 3. That'll give us 36. That's going to give us 4, and we're going to repeat this. 3, 3, 3. All right? So 7/12 is 0.583 repeating. Let's go the other way. Let's start by putting, we got 5 numbers, so we're going to have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of that decimal. Okay. Now we're going to start by multiplying by 3. Okay. That gives us 9, 9, 9 for each of these. 24, 15, 16, 17 over 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to round up. We're going to round these 9s. So it is 175,000 over 300,000. We simplify by getting rid of the thousands. So we have 175 over 300. Now we can divide by 25. Okay, 4 25s per 100, and then we have 3 of them, so we got 12 on the bottom. 175 is 4 for the 100, and another 3 makes 7. There's our 7/12 back. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.